Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you read the title correctly, the purpose of this video is to show you guys that you can start your own press-on nail business in 2022 with under $100. Yes, you heard that right, under $100. And let's just go straight into the video. The first thing I decided to look for was a gel polish kit that would include everything that you would need to start, and by that I mean LED lamp, buffers, maybe clippers, maybe some nail brushes, or some nail art supplies. In this case, I think I decided to go with Coscelia. The reason why I decided to go with Coscelia is because it's a brand that I know very well. I've used it for years and I really do like their gel polish. I feel like a lot of people are sleeping on this brand just because it's a little bit on the less expensive side, not necessarily meaning cheap, but just that it's more affordable. And I feel like this set is an amazing choice to start off with. You get 20 colors, an LED lamp, you get some nail art supplies as well as brushes, base coat, a shiny top coat, and a matte top coat. And the price is amazing, $27.99 for all that. Also, for those of you that decide to stick it out all the way to the end of the video, sorry, cannot get my words out, there's actually a bonus tip at the end of the video that I want to share with you guys, and I think it's extremely helpful, especially for saving money when starting out a small business. In this next section right now, I'm just searching for basically press-on nail packaging. So just things to put your press-on nails in once you get them and what to include with them. So a lot of people have this misconception that if they start a press-on nail business, they need to have a lot of supplies to start off. In reality, you can actually start with the bare minimum, and as you start selling your sets, start to work up towards adding more things into your packaging and into your bundles. So I feel like, at least for starters, you should have somewhere where you can package your press-on nails, double-sided tape, and an application card. I think that an application card kind of pulls everything together and makes everything look even more professional. Granted, hopefully, if you do have a printer at home, you could make your own DIY application cards, and you could also make your own little marketing promos and things like that you can add into your packaging. And you can do that on Canva or PicMonkey or any graphic design software that you want to use. I am planning on making some tutorials on how to use Canva. You can use Canva for free, but if you'd like to get more pictures and things that you can use, definitely you can subscribe for their monthly plan and use their basically their templates and all the extra pictures or stock photos and videos that are on there. And like I was mentioning earlier, there is this huge misconception that you need to have everything and you need to buy everything. In reality, you just need a few colors, a few different sizes of tips, and you can definitely get started. Right now I'm just shopping for different tips, and you can see that there are different brands and different price points. You don't necessarily have to buy the most expensive tips right off the bat. You can just buy kind of like a medium price point tip or a lower price point tip. And if you're afraid of the tip being too bendy or too flexible, if it's something that you don't like, gel polish will add some structure to the tip. But if you want to add even more structure to the tip, you can always buy builder gel in a bottle, so a soft potted builder, and then you can brush that builder gel over top. I would use a clear builder and then cure it, and that'll definitely give it a lot more structure and strength if that's what you're looking for. And that can definitely be add-on in your shop. You can definitely say, hey, it's an extra $5 if you want your nail tips to be a little bit stronger, if you need that added strength. And it's a great little add-on that you can have there. And then I went ahead, I believe I picked Almond, Stiletto, Coffin, and I'm not sure, well, we'll see. But I added it to the cart because I felt like the price point was right. As you can see, 240 tips, and they're XXL long square tips, which a lot of people like the XXL. It's a huge selling point for them, and if you feel like you want to make tips or make press-ons that are on the longer side, definitely go in and look for those deals. They are on Amazon. Just try to filter your search. Try to go from lowest to highest, and then be very specific when you're adding in those keywords into the search bar. And then not only do you need tips, you also need stands, because where else are you going to be placing your tips? You can purchase stands, and you're going to need tack as well so that you can adhere the tip to the stand. Another great option for a stand is you can DIY stands. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to DIY press-on nail stands, but I also will be creating one. I found a really cute idea from Dollar Tree items that you can make press-on nail stands, and honestly, when you look at them, you won't even be able to tell that it's a DIY stand. It really looks like, you know, it's purchased from a store. So I'm gonna be making that video really soon and uploading it. Just stay tuned. And right now we're just looking at mailers, bubble mailers, poly mailers. Whenever you're going to start a business, you definitely need something to send your products in. A lot of people go for bubble mailers. There's also corrugated boxes, which you can buy them. They come in different colors like craft, pink, blue, whatever brand color you'd want to go with, and you can definitely put them in that as well. The reason why I added bubble mailers in this case is to just have that extra padded protection. Amazon was selling 50 bubble mailers for $10, which I feel like is a great price. Also, the size is really good. I think it's 4 by 6 inches, which is the perfect size for press-on nails. Another thing that you will be needing is stickers or sticker paper. A lot of people like to buy labels specifically for shipping, but I feel like you can definitely just buy regular sticker paper. And if you know how to use you can use Google Docs, or you can use Microsoft Word. You can even use Canva. You can upload the pictures of your shipping labels, and then you can put it onto a regular sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11, and you can print up to 4 shipping labels on one sheet of paper. And I feel like that's way more economic than buying shipping labels per se, since they usually only come with 2 labels per page, and I feel like that's a waste of paper when the label doesn't need to be that big. At the end of the day, USPS or whatever shipping service you're going to be using, they're just going to be scanning the barcode. As long as the barcode is legible, it doesn't really matter how big the label is, if that makes sense. And once again, just reiterating over the things that I added to the cart. Right now we're at $96. We have the 20-piece Coscelia gel polish kit. It comes with your UV LED lamp. It's going to come with your top coat and your base coat. The top coats come in glossy and matte. It also has accessories for nail art, picking tools, buffers and files that you're definitely going to be needing them. It also has some alcohol wipes included in there, so you can get the dust off of those nails once you're done. We're gonna look over basically just the specifications of the LED lamp. It's 24 watts, which is pretty good. It means it's going to be able to completely dry and cure that gel for you. Base coat and top coat. And like I said, I really do recommend Coscelia. I've been using this brand for years. I've never experienced any chipping of the polish or anything like that. Definitely just make sure to buff and prep your nails before you use it, and it's going to last a really long time. It's going to give you that long wear that you expect from a gel polish. Then in this next tab, we're looking at the press-on nail packaging. This comes with a display box. It comes with 500 coffin tips, 10 pieces of glue, and 2 rolls of double-sided clear sticky tape. The reason why I went with this is because the packaging is pretty much complete. You can customize it. It also has glue, so you in the beginning you don't really have to include all of the extra fancy stuff like a buffer, a nail filer, a cuticle pusher. You can honestly just start with just simple nail glue, the tips in the box, and an application card, and you're good to go. And then again, don't forget the labels and the poly mailers. And if you've made it to this part of the video, congratulations, you get to get my best tip and the reason why you made it this way all the way to the end is if you actually go to the USPS website, you can get padded envelope mailers, basically the same that you would have gotten from Amazon. These are completely free. They ship to your house free, and you don't have to just get padded mailers. You can get envelopes, you can get CD boxes, you can get their flat rate boxes, and they come in tons of different sizes and shapes, and it's all for free. And all you have to do is create an account with them. And I think this is a great tip for people who don't necessarily have the money to start off with the poly mailers or the bubble mailers from Amazon or from any other site. You can definitely just go ahead and go to the USPS website and just grab all their free shipping supplies. It's really a great way to get started without having all of that extra costs. And thank you so much for making it this far. This is my little kind of video of how to start your press-on nail business in 2022 in under $100, and you don't even need to have Amazon Prime to do it. Thank you. Bye.